Now, this acetyl-CoA will start inhibiting pyruvate dehydrogenase. We start inhibiting pyruvate dehydrogenase, and remember that pyruvate dehydrogenase converts pyruvate to acetyl-CoA in the presence of oxygen or in the availability of oxygen. And when we inactivate this simply means that there is high ATP molecule in our body. And whenever there is high ATP molecule in our body, there is low ADP molecule. There is low NAD positive, but there is high NADH. This is the reason why whenever ATP molecule is high, NADH is high and acetyl-CoA is what? High. So what are they doing? They're stimulating the conversion of active pyruvate dehydrogenase to inactive pyruvate dehydrogenase. So ATP molecule will come and add phosphate group to this. And when phosphate group is added, this pyruvate dehydrogenase is now what? Inhibited, is now inactivated. But pyruvate dehydrogenase phosphatase what? Remove the phosphate group, making it what? Activated. Remember, all these things are MCQ questions. Don't forget these things. That's why I am emphasizing on them. And ATP molecule signifies there is high NADH, and this high ATP, our body does not need too much ATP. You know, this pyruvate dehydrogenase complex will convert this pyruvate to acetyl-CoA, which will now undergo the Krebs cycle to produce energy in the mitochondria. So our body does not need this much ATP. There is already this high ATP. So this ATP starts inhibiting or starts inactivating this pyruvate dehydrogenase complex. So here is a summary for you, which is pyruvate dehydrogenase complex. It is inhibited by high level of ATP. Whenever your ATP molecule is high, it inhibits pyruvate dehydrogenase complex. And whenever your acetyl-CoA molecule is high, it inhibits your pyruvate dehydrogenase complex. And whenever your NADH is high, it also inhibits your pyruvate dehydrogenase complex. So activators, what activate this pyruvate dehydrogenase complex? Whenever high ADP, and whenever we have high ADP, what is the formula? ATP molecule is low, so therefore it starts stimulating pyruvate dehydrogenase complex that will convert pyruvate to acetyl-CoA in the presence of oxygen to do what? To start producing energy, because we have low energy. High ADP signifies low energy, and high NADH positive signifies high ADP signifies what? Low ATP, and also signifies what? Low NADH. Therefore, this now serve as activators to pyruvate dehydrogenase complex. So what you have to take on is physiological logic is products are abundant, the cell is high, has high energy. Substrates are available, the cell needs energy. So when you have substrates, meaning your cell needs energy, and when you have too much products, example of our products, ATP, acetyl-CoA, NADH, that is products. Whenever they are too much, it means our cell have high energy, so our body will stop making enough energy. And whenever we have too much substrates, NADP and ADP, meaning that our body has low energy, our body starts making ATP.